Hello, I'm the chef Dwight, and today I'll be making cornbread with jalapeno pepper. First thing I do, I pour 2 cups of cornmeal and 2 cups of flour in my bowl. Then I had a tablespoon of baking powder plus 2 teaspoons. Plus 2 teaspoons. Here we go. Then I had half teaspoon of salt. Then I had 1 cup of brown sugar. Yeah, then I combine all the dry ingredients together. Just like so. Then I had a cup of buttermilk and a cup of coconut milk. I also added 2 eggs. A teaspoon and a half vanilla. One-third melted butter. Going in. One-third oil. Three tablespoons jalapeno pepper. Chopped finely. Going in. Now I combine all ingredients together. Like so. So if it's too thick, add a little bit more buttermilk or coconut milk and mix. After mixing, it's supposed to be looking like this. Now it's ready to bake. After I mix everything, I get my 9x13 baking dish and I pour some butter in it and I put it in my baking dish like this, like so. Then I get the parchment paper and put over that. Yeah, then I pour it in my 9x13 baking pan, like so. Make sure everything is evenly in my baking pan. Then I tap my pan like this to get the air out and to get everything even. Then I put it in my oven. And 350 for 40 minutes. While my cornbread is in the oven, I'm making the glaze, the honey butter glaze for my cornbread, which is 2 tablespoons of honey and 1.5 tablespoons of butter, or vice versa. I also want you to know that you could check your cornbread at 35 minutes with a knife in the middle to make sure it's done. So after 35 minutes, I check on my cornbread and it's done. I poke it and it's excellent. So I'm gonna put the glaze on it now. Yes, then now I'm gonna add the glaze. Wow, looking beautiful.
Very nice.
We're gonna make sure the glaze gets all over the sidings and all of that. Add more glaze. The more glaze, the better it tastes. So I'm adding more glaze, more glaze, more glaze. Just like that. Wonderful. So I'm gonna let it cool off and then we taste. Won't have to. So my son already took a piece. So let's cut into it. Wow, looking good. Tastes good. So I hope you have learned how to make this recipe and how to make it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, see you in the next one.